No one can take law into their hands. Nigerians and locals who broke law on Thursday will be booked. The Chief Minister has said illegally staying foreigners will be rounded up within 7 days and deported.
So one small technical error was committed, that this hearse van, which should have been sent with police escort, because the police senior officers got indulged in discussing with these leaders of these Nigerians, that hearse van was not accompanied by a police escort. Unluckily, some of these Nigerians on a motorbike carrying some hockey sticks numbering about 30, they followed chased the police hearse van from the place of death, right from that Montgiri cross हा थंयच्यान येवन ते हायवेचेर ताका चेस केले आनी blocked it at near Kokero, assaulted the police officers there, brought out the body and kept it on the road and blocked the road. The force from Panji and Parra attempted to come here. They were not able to reach there because of traffic jam. The highway is so quickly gets jammed. That so far we have rounded up 53 Nigerians, of which 2 are in hospital, badly beaten up by someone in the crowd. We are registering case against the people who have beaten them up. That was avoidable. That was not required. The law would have taken its own course, and they would have been arrested for various sections, including attempt to murder on a police officer. Paul Obiresi, this is how they pronounce it. Very difficult name. He has been murdered, a male, 25 to 30 age approximately. Suspects so far not identified, cause possibly due to inter-gang rivalry within the group. The other case which is booked is for rioting. Attempt to murder is also there, no?
Attempt to murder is there, sir.
Section 3 of Public Property Act, Section 8B of National Highway Act, as per the direction of Supreme Court. There is a very clear direction to the police. They are immediately cracking down on all illegal foreigners who are staying. And I have told them that within 7 days, round up everyone who does not have proper visa or documentation and deport them. Foreign persons who does not have visa, because there are some joints which we are noted, action will be taken against those pups also. So I am very clearly telling everyone they should stop patronizing these illegal people.